Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pig avatar or any of the NPC or main character of the pig in Unreal Engine game project. First you need to have the iClones, and in your iClone you click here, then you should be able to see the template, and then you find from the props that is Animal World Volume 3. You should be able to find a pig at here. You drag it out, and next step, you need to have iClone Unreal Live Link. The iClone Unreal Live Link is a plugin that is compulsory to install in your Unreal Engine's game project. You can see this is one of my Unreal Engine game project. I already installed the iClone Unreal Live Link, and in my iClone 7, I already have the iClone Unreal Live Link as well. So this pig, I'm going to untick everything in iClone Unreal Live Link, and I go to the setting here, place the asset in scene. This one I untick it, and under the prop, make sure you untick everything and only tick the pig, and then you click transfer the file. At this moment, you need to wait for a while until it finish transfer. Until it finish transfer this pig into Unreal Engine. So now you can see it is already finished transfer, and now you can see a skeleton mesh here. Actually, we are not going to use this. Alright, next you need to back to the iClone. In your iClone 7, you have to make sure you select that pig already, and then you click here, edit in 3D Exchange. Now it will send it to 3D Exchange 7. Now when you drag here out, drag here down, you can see all of the animations are here. So next, what you are going to do is you have to export it out. So now in your iClone 3D Exchange 7, as demo, I will create a folder on my desktop. Right click, new folder. I will name it as pig01 and open the pig01 folder. It is still empty. In your 3D Exchange 7 here, you click file. You click export the FBX. And the target tool preset, you have to choose Unreal Engine. Next, the first step, you untick here, include geometry. And the file name you will put as pig01. Next, the destination, you must make sure you put this folder. And for this time, the first export, you just want to include the geometry. And then you click OK. And click OK. Now you can see export it as FBX file. Next, you export again the FBX file. The FBX file, the target tool preset, you choose the Unreal Engine as well. For this time, you untick the include geometry. The file name you put as pig01 as well. The destination is already correct. You click OK. And click OK again. And this time, actually, it is exporting all the animation. Next, you go to your Unreal Engine here, back to the content folder in your Unreal Engines. You create a new folder named Animals, and then you create a new folder inside the Animal folder. You name it as pig01, enter and enter again. At this moment, first you drag in the pig01, the FBX file. Then after that here, you click import all and wait for a while. Once finished, it will pop out a message log. And here you just need to wait for a while until all the shaders are finished compiled. Alright, now you can see it finished transfer already, and everything. You can see all the texture already generated. What you are going to do is you double click in the skeleton mesh. Now you can see actually the texture is not complete. The texture have some problem there, so you must choose it from here. And then this is a PIG, you have to choose a material instance. Now, all the texture already done. Next, you can close this. And next we are going to import the animations. You right click here. Okay, actually, you can just right click here, create a new folder, name it as animation. Double click in. Next, you are going to import all the animations here. Drag in. The skeleton, you must choose the pig 01. The pig 01 skeleton. The animation length, you must choose animated time. And then you click import all and wait for a while until it finish import. Now you can see all the motion file already finished transfer. The next step, we are going to make this pig become the main avatar. First thing, you back to the pig folder. Double click the pig skeleton. At this moment, you open your retarget manager and then you make this rig to become the humanoid rig. Next, you click clear, save, and close. Next, you go back to the content folder. You go and find for mannequin. The mannequin is here. The animation. Sorry, you have to go to the character first. Go into the mesh. Double click the mannequin skeleton. Open the retarget manager and also make sure you change it to become the humanoid rig. Next, you click save and then you close. Next, you back to the mannequin folder. Go into the animations. There is content, mannequin, animation. The third person blueprint, you right click it, retarget, and here you have to select the pig 01 skeletons and click retarget. Next up, it will lead you back to the content folder. Rename the third person animation blueprint by pressing F2. Then you add an underscore behind. You name it as pig 01. Next, you open the third person idle run. At here, the first point you have to replace by using the pig idle. The second point is replaced by using the pig 01 walk. The last point, pig 01 walk fast. Right there. Then you can save it already. Close. Next, you should be able to see this. You have the pig 01 animations. You move all of this. You click the first and hold the shift and click the last. You move it into your animation folder just now. Move it there. Next, you back to the content folder. Go to the third person blueprint. Enter the blueprint folder. You should be able to see the third person character. You right click and duplicate it. Next, you change the file name to become add an underscore behind underscore pig 01, enter. Then you double click the third person character pig 01. At here you click mesh, click the viewport. The skeleton mesh, you choose the pig 01. And then to move a little bit to make sure the capsule is at the center. Next, the animation class, you change it to become the third person animation blueprint pig 01. So now, you can see, click compile and close it. Next, you want to change it to become the main avatar. First, you delete the mannequin. You delete the mannequin from the map. Press delete button. Click edit, click project setting. Click the maps and modes. The selected game modes, the default point class, you change it to become the third person character pig 01. Then you close it. Now, when you try to play, you play the game, you can see now, the main avatar already become the pig. Now this pig already become your main avatar. And you also can make this pig to become one of the NPC there. You can just press escape and drag the third person character pig01 into the map. Now here you have an NPC. Next, you also can back to contents, Reallusion contents, the pig01, sorry. You back to animal folder, content animal pig01, and it is under the animations. You can just drag any of the animations into here, like for example pig01 eat. Now these two are the NPCs. When you play your game, you can see they are NPCs in the game. At the same time, the main avatar is a pig as well. Alright, that's all for today about how to create any of the pig main avatar or any of the pig NPC in your Unreal Engine game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animations and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you will receive the notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.